no gold is not enough.
Hi, this is Sai. Welcome to Sai Tech Logic channel. In this video, we'll see about PCC-SA certification by Palo Alto. The name of the certification is Palo Alto Network Certified Cybersecurity Associate. So Palo Alto is offering this for 30% off. Okay, for online proctored exams until October 15th. You can use this promo code to register for the exam. Now I will show you the process to register. So you can follow the link here which I have given. So I will give all this information in the description. Check out there. So I will show you the registration process now. So you can see this is a Pearson VUE page. Here you can see the registration process. Okay, how to register for exam, as well as you can see the details regarding the offer, 30% off, and the promo code here. So for that you need to have an account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account here, and I already have an account, so I will directly sign in. So I will show you the process to create account as well. So here you can give no, I don't have PAN W certification ID, and you can give all these details. Then you can give next. So once you complete this process, all your contact information, additional information, then you can create your account. Once you create your account, you can sign in here. Okay, now I already have my credentials. I will be signing in. So here you can see this is my recently completed exams, and you can see the exam catalog here. You can select PCC SA. Okay, you have to choose for at home or office. So if you see the offer here, they have only given for online proctored exams, right? So this offer is not applicable for local test center. So you have to select home or office. You can run pre-check for your system, then click next. Then click next. So you can click next here. So you can select any of these according to your priority. Click next now. So so you can choose date and time here. Let me select 29th. Okay, and you can choose your time here. Okay, here you can see estimated total due. Okay, here you can enter voucher or promotion codes on the payment screen. So click checkout. So here you can add your voucher code. Apply that. So you're getting 30% off here. So you can proceed with your card details, and you can register for the exam. You can enroll for the exam. So this is the registration process. So this is last till October 15th. So register before that. So thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.